Catherine here. This is the video you all asked for. The 15 foods every kidney disease patient must eat on a weekly basis to avoid dialysis, according to science. All the foods in today's video have powerful blood pressure lowering, diabetes fighting, and anti-inflammatory properties to protect and restore the health of your kidneys. And guys, when I tell you that you can heal your kidneys with a diet, I actually mean it. In this larger review of studies, patients in stage 3 and 4 were able to stop kidney disease progression and in some cases restore their kidney function by following a diet similar to what I'm going to show you today. These foods are suitable for all the stages of kidney disease. They are 100% plant-based, low in protein, low in potassium, and low on the glycemic scale. And they are also high in fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals. Yes, while doctors always tell you what to avoid, today I will tell you exactly what to eat. Guys, one of the most important findings of the study I've just shown you is that most kidney disease patients have low levels or even deficiencies in some vitamins and minerals. Good news is that filling these nutritional gaps is a sure way to help the kidneys improve. So let's start with foods that can help you fight the most common vitamin and mineral deficiencies in kidney disease, such as almonds. Almonds are an amazing superfood. They are great for people with kidney problems because they're so rich in magnesium. Magnesium is key for kidney health. It fights high blood pressure, lowers inflammation, and fights diabetes. Unfortunately, having a deficiency in this nutrient is just as common as it is dangerous. So eat more almonds. I love snacking on them before going to sleep because magnesium-rich foods also help you sleep better. And also eat shiitake mushrooms. This is another superfood that fills a common nutritional deficiencies. The most common deficiency in people with kidney disease is vitamin D. Some experts are starting to consider vitamin D the kidney vitamin because patients with higher levels of this vitamin always have slower declining kidney function. And shiitake mushrooms are basically the only good food source of this vitamin. Research confirms that eating these mushrooms 2 to 3 times a week is a great way to avoid a deficiency in this key vitamin. And also eat chia seeds. Okay guys, I'm not exaggerating when I say that these first 3 foods alone can give you a significant health boost. Chia seeds in particular are one of the few sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are key for a better kidney health. They protect the kidneys from high blood pressure, cholesterol, and there are even studies suggesting that having more omega-3s in the diet is a valid strategy to fight proteinuria, which is linked to kidney damage. And chia seeds are one of the few food sources of this essential nutrient you can find in your diet. Time to see some snacks now! Who said that snacking is a bad habit? Nothing bad can happen if you snack on popcorn. Popcorn is an intact whole grain, which means that the bran, the germ, and the endosperm are all intact within the kernel. This makes them high in fiber, particularly soluble, which is like a cleanup substance for your digestive tract. Popcorn is also a good source of vitamin C, B3, and manganese. It's also very low in calories, especially for a snack food, and can help make you feel full without eating too much. Corn is also great on the cob. And however you eat this healthy grain, make sure to always use healthy seasonings such as hot pepper or other spices and always avoid salted and packaged popcorn. Here's a snack that's also great for breakfast: barley flakes. Barley is one of the best whole grains for kidney patients because it has low potassium and phosphorus content compared to almost any other whole grain. Yes, barley is a must for a well-planned renal diet in my opinion, and it also comes in flakes. Barley flakes are a great replacement for oats as they have similar taste but a healthier nutritional profile. Another very tasty snack completely suitable for a renal diet is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is full of antioxidants, and if you eat it in moderate amounts, it's also very healthy. It contains antioxidants so powerful, it may even reduce the risk for chronic diseases. It's also great for people with diabetes. Just stay away from milk chocolate and other sugary junk foods. One more reason to love dark chocolate. It protects from inflammation. Inflammation is a very serious consequence of suffering from kidney disease as it directly damages the kidneys. There are foods that can help. Let's see some foods with anti-inflammatory properties. One of the best is ginger. This is a superfood with some of the most powerful kidney protecting benefits. It fights diabetes, high blood pressure, and it can even relieve nausea. And most of all, it's a powerful anti-inflammatory. It's so powerful at fighting inflammation in the kidneys that it was even tested to see if it can lower creatinine levels. And it worked! Another food with scientifically proven healing properties is flaxseed. Flaxseed, just like ginger, has the huge benefit of being able to fight the inflammation. And also the fiber in flaxseed binds with cholesterol in the intestine and prevents it from being absorbed. This may result in lowered blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and blood pressure. Here is a superfood that fights high uric acid levels and gout. Cherries. Other than being extremely tasty, cherries have a unique healing benefit. If you've ever heard of uric acid, it was probably in relation to two unpleasant conditions, gout and kidney stones. The kidneys are supposed to get rid of excess uric acid, and when they can, it may cause serious problems. Here's where cherries can help. Research suggests that cherries might reduce the risk of gout attacks by a whopping 35%. Cherries are also low in calories and potassium and chock full of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other good-for-you nutrients. And talking about nutrients that you may need in your diet, carbohydrates. Because while low-carb diets can be beneficial for certain people, there is no reason to avoid high-carb foods, especially in the advanced stages of kidney disease. So if you need to find good, clean carb sources with a low glycemic index, consider berries. Whether you love blueberries, strawberries, or any other type of berry, you have the go-ahead to indulge. According to the ADA, berries are a diabetes superfood because they are packed with antioxidants and fiber. And they are also the best friends of your kidneys because they are low in potassium and very rich in vitamins. Now, one question that I always get asked when it comes to carbs: what is the best bread for people with diabetes and kidney problems? There is actually one type of bread that's better than any other. It's sourdough bread. Sourdough bread is very popular in Mediterranean area as well as in the San Francisco Bay region of the US. Compared to regular bread, it takes much longer to ferment and rise, and this is what makes it healthier. And this bread is very interesting for us because it has a phosphorus content similar to white bread, but with a lower glycemic index and many more health benefits. In moderation, this bread is also suitable for people with diabetes, just like wild rice. Wild rice is maybe the best rice there is for people with kidney problems. It is lower in potassium and phosphorus than brown rice and contains as much as 30 times the antioxidants as white rice. It is lower on the glycemic scale and packs a lot more fiber than white rice. Fiber is extremely useful to fight kidney disease. Eating just 5 to 10 grams more per day of fiber is proven to lower your bad cholesterol by 10 points or more. It can also lower blood sugar by 28% according to research, and it's also capable of lowering your blood pressure by 15%. Yes, fiber is one of the healthiest nutrients in a renal diet. There are even studies linking an increased fiber intake to a slower decline in kidney function. So let's see where to get more fiber in our diet, starting with kiwi fruit. I love this fruit and it's absolutely amazing for the health of the kidneys. Kiwi fruit is low in potassium and rich in fiber, especially soluble, the healthiest type. Kiwi fruit also possesses properties that lower blood pressure and reduce bad cholesterol in the blood according to science. Another tasty fruit rich in fiber but low in potassium, apricot. This fruit is a must in a renal diet. It's low in potassium, low on the glycemic scale, and very healthy. Apricots also have significant health benefits. Apricots are a good source of iron and copper, essential to boost your iron levels and fight anemia. Apricot also come with a lot of healthy fiber in a small package. And guys, increasing fiber intake really is a must to improve kidney health. But there is only one problem with fiber. Unfortunately, 95% of Americans don't eat enough of it. And if you have CKD, it may be even harder to get enough of this nutrient. So, if you want to see more foods rich in this key nutrient, my video up here is for you. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.